How do people get rich on Bitcoin? Is it trading, buying low, selling high, holding for 10 years and praying? Sure, some people do it that way. But what if I told you there's a different path? More stable, more scalable, and way more powerful. This is the story no one's telling you. Not about buying Bitcoin, but about creating it. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin mining, where you don't just own crypto, you produce it. Now wait, before you run out and buy a rig, here's the truth. Mining at home, not profitable for most people. You'll burn power, babysit machines, rack up bills, and end up with more stress than sats. But that's where we come in. We're OneMiners. We make Bitcoin mining profitable again by hosting your rigs in the cheapest electricity zones around the world. That includes energy hotspots like Nigeria, where hydropower meets low grid rates, the United States, with access to stable industrial-scale infrastructure, Dubai, where advanced tech meets government-backed efficiency, and more, constantly expanding to where profit makes sense. It's simple. Pick your miner from our platform. We install and run it in one of our secure hosting locations. You track earnings 24/7 using our app on Android or iOS. It's your miner, your wallet, your rewards without any of the tech headaches. And here's the game changer. We offer a full 7-year warranty on all miners hosted in our facilities. Why does this work? Because electricity is the #1 cost in mining. When you mine where power is cheap, you win. And with OneMiners, you're mining in the most optimized places on the planet. Thousands are already using OneMiners to earn Bitcoin daily. From crypto newbies to experienced investors, they've found a better way to build long-term wealth. No guessing charts, no timing the market, just earning automatically. So how do you get rich on Bitcoin? You stop chasing coins and start creating them with OneMiners. Ready to make mining profitable again? Go to OneMiners.com or download our app now. Start earning Bitcoin while you sleep.